Hey guys, welcome. My name is Karol and today we're going to talk about motivation in affiliate marketing, how to achieve it, how to build on it, and how to actually keep yourself motivated on your daily basis. Alright, so without further ado, let's find out. Hey guys, welcome to this video. If you don't know me, my name is Karol Fule, I'm an affiliate marketer, and today we're going to talk about a topic that is very personal to me. I love it, and it's motivation and how do you keep yourself motivated with your affiliate marketing business. Alright, so the chances are you watching this video that you're either a beginner in affiliate marketer, or you're struggling with affiliate marketing, or you're even, a fairly successful affiliate marketer and you're just wondering how to actually keep yourself on track on a daily basis and keep yourself motivated. Alright, so we're going to look into this topic, but before that, if you're interested in affiliate marketing, how to actually build affiliate marketing business from scratch, and you want to just fast track your results and have a blueprint literally from A to Z, how to go through it in a more detailed way, then I've created a 4-day video series which you can grab completely for free in the description below, the first link over there. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into the motivation. Alright, so what is first of all motivation? Okay, we need to figure out what is actually motivation. Now, motivation is, to be honest, it's very easy to get yourself motivated in the first place. Alright, now probably what you only need to do is watch an inspirational movie, alright, or watch a motivational YouTube video and you're instantly pumped up, alright, to do the things, and you even create a good plan to do that, alright, and you follow that plan for several days or even a week or two, but then after some time, nobody knows why, you just get back to your old being, okay? And then after some time, again, you get motivated, you watch the video and you get going for another 2 weeks and you get back to your old self again. And then this is just like kind of like a rinse and repeat, all right? So how do you actually keep yourself motivated so you do all the things you're supposed to do on a daily basis? That it's not just like, short term, but that you see the long-term results from your daily activities, okay? The thing with motivation is that motivation was never a thing that is going to create the results for you, all right? I think Jim Rohn, he actually nailed the description or the definition of motivation. He said, motivation is what gets you started, habit is what gets you going. And that's really key, guys. Alright, motivation is literally what you feel when you get motivated, alright, when you watch that motivational movie or the video on YouTube, to get you pumped up, to create a certain plan that you're going to follow. But what you're supposed to do in order to create the long-lasting effects, the long-lasting results, is the habits that are actually going to help you achieve that long-term results, all right? Because when you think about it, all right, most of our daily activities are actually habitual behavior, okay? I think it's around maybe 80% of everything that we do on a daily basis is habitual, okay? So, for example, you wake up, when you wake up, your alarm clock goes off and you either get up instantly or you snooze the button, right? Then you go into your bathroom, probably, have a shower or not, brush your teeth, and afterwards you probably have a breakfast or you don't have a breakfast, right? So it's all habitual. Then you go into your work, you drive, you're either angry for the traffic jams or you're not, all right? So it's most of the things that we do is habitual. For example, driving, all right? When you were first starting driving, you were probably fully focused on every move, every single thing you were doing. You were holding the wheel with 2 hands, and like just literally focused on everything. But after some time, when you got used to it, now you're pretty comfortable with it and you're driving with one of your hands, with another hand you probably have your phone, which we shouldn't do, right? and all of that stuff, right? So it's literally habitual. You listen to music, you talk to people while driving, and it's completely, you don't even think about it, all right? That's habitual behavior, and that's most of our days are like that. So having said that, if you want a long-lasting effects, if you want a long-lasting success in your business, in your life, you need to create such habits that are going to literally push you through and get you the results that you want, all right? So that's all about the habits. And now how do you actually get these habits, okay? Now, the best thing is to literally look for the people who achieved what you are striving to achieve, okay? This is the best possible advice I can give you, all right? Because most of us look into the things that, you know, our peers are doing, maybe our family members and all of that stuff, which is all good, you know. All the people have better experience, which is all everything fine, don't get me wrong, but if they haven't achieved what you're striving to achieve, how do you expect to, with those habits, with those activities that they are doing, to achieve what you're striving to do, right? It doesn't really make sense. So you need to look into the people who already achieved what you're striving to achieve, all right? And that's pretty much the best way, is to literally get into some kind of a mentorship, all right? Have somebody who achieved what you're striving to do and follow in their footsteps, okay? It's way easier, and you have literally an example of somebody who achieved it, all right? So build your habits, build your successful habits. You know, first of all, find out what they are, how to get them, and how to actually incorporate those habits, all right? Now, with affiliate marketing, you know, it's most of us, you know, are on a different journey, okay, on a different level of our journey, you know, or, you know, we all have a different also goals, okay? So, you know, for example, you know, you might be, your goal from affiliate marketing might be financial freedom, okay? Or you might only want, somebody else might want only a full-time income from affiliate marketing. Somebody else wants that laptop lifestyle with affiliate marketing, all right? Somebody else might want literally to become a millionaire with affiliate marketing, all right? Everything is possible, all of that is possible with affiliate marketing, but you need to develop those habits that are going to help you achieve it, okay? That's the most important thing. Now, guys, I cannot really go into all of those habits and everything like this in this short video, but I've created a 4-day video series about affiliate marketing, all right? Literally from A to Z, how to develop the conversion machine, the conversion model that you need in order to create and sell and make those profits in your affiliate marketing, all right? To how to actually create the affiliate marketing business that is profitable for you, all right? So if you're interested in that, if you want to learn more about it, it's completely free, you know, no strings attached to this, all right? So if you're interested in that, go ahead, grab it in the description below, and you will have it completely for free, all right? If not, completely fine, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you guys, have a great day ahead. Bye.